In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with MS Teams. This is a quick, reliable way to make sure the meetings and events you schedule in Outlook show up in Microsoft Teams automatically. The great thing is that Outlook and Teams share the same Microsoft calendar on the back end, so once you connect from Outlook, everything stays in sync without extra tools. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the same Microsoft account you use for Teams, preferably your work or a school account. Keeping the same account across both apps is what makes the sync seamless. Give the page a moment to load fully. On slower connections, it may take a few seconds for all the toolbar icons to appear. Now look toward the top right of the Outlook web interface for the Teams icon. It usually looks like a purple T logo and sits alongside other app controls. Click that Teams icon. When you do, Outlook connects you to Teams and confirms the link between your Outlook calendar and your Teams calendar. Depending on your browser settings, Teams might open in the same tab, a new tab, or a small panel. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it so Teams can open properly. From this point forward, the calendars are in sync because both Outlook and Teams read the same Exchange-based calendar tied to your account. That means events you create or edit in Outlook will surface in the calendar view inside Teams, and the reverse is true as well. If you add a title, set a time, or invite colleagues in Outlook, you'll see the meeting appear in Teams within a short time. Likewise, meetings scheduled in Teams will show up in Outlook automatically without you needing to copy anything over. If you don't immediately see an update, give it a minute, give it a minute, and refresh the page. Calendar changes sometimes take a moment to propagate, especially on busy networks. Also, make sure your time zone is set correctly in your account so meeting times line up in both places. If your browser window is very narrow, the Teams icon can be tucked behind overflow controls at the top. Widening the window usually reveals it. That's all there is to it. Go to outlook.live.com, click the Teams icon at the top right, and your Outlook and Teams calendars work as one. With that connection in place, you can schedule where you're most comfortable and trust that everything stays up to date across both apps.